Ratios. A ratio compares two quantities by division, showing how much of one quantity there is relative to the other. It can be expressed in three ways: as a fraction, a over b, with a column, a colon b, which is read a to b, or by using the word to, a to b. These are all ways to express a ratio. Writing a colon b or writing a over b is the same thing, and both ways are read as a to b. The first number is called antecedent, and the second is called consequent. Example: a basket with 4 apples and 2 oranges. What is the ratio between the two? Here we have our basket with 4 apples and 2 oranges. We wrote 4 to 2. The ratio is 4 to 2. This ratio can be simplified further by dividing both 4 and 2 by their greatest common divisor, which is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 2 to 1. There are 2 apples for each orange. Alternatively, if you wanted the ratio of oranges to apples, it would be the opposite, 1 to 2. There is 1 orange for every 2 apples. If we, for example, had 5 oranges and we would like to keep this ratio, we would consequently have 10 apples.